Bema Olivia Kwaba Eba GC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aremeyaw Bremo Kennedy Agyapong, you got nerves. Bema showdown. Wakasa na oni a police phone di share, ni maybe a police phone ya bo anyiso. Baba bonti wakasa. No the celebrate atuga na answer ne be call ni seminim. Necessary the first time now we can subscribe ya necessary we subscribe to the channel no na we like na we share we dey obey say we click the subscribe button no na we bell notification no we na sa video fufu bia be upload no also we sa ever can be afi we na we like video no give us a thumbs up na afi we share ma ofufo so na we nya bi na we share afi yanko exiden Kennedy Agyapong or the ensema to be you got nerves. The mouth showdown. Only a police for the shout to say why disappointed in Ghana police now. Assembly Akoto na Tentamara Yankuti reporting the ensema Kennedy Agyapong added to be a police for no issue. Into ensema Akoto meeting some.
Mami first, my very, very disappointed with Ghana police. Commander, I'm catching commander. Case to cry so when we and the mountain boss handle, now there we're talking to the elections and the police. Also, okay. And I'm so back. But I won't hear you. You better hear the boom. Then I saw one police armor truck. And the announcement said they should disperse. And I'm and I'm a full call inside. I'm so I did no problem. You are so well you. Then said, "Na, where? Say, maybe I got chance. I'm not going to be." And a police phone catcher me say, "Oma ko block abo, any we are attitude program. And give me more koi." I'm so with the Omas. And the Omo they are not here to destroy or kill anybody. And I'm seeing. That's what the police is saying. What the Abuama block road here in Gyamfi. And we also say, and the police for no two conditions. Some of them police for no nyai tear gas no motor, no match. Omun call for me so omun yawo. I'm sorry. In good faith, muni panibi. Na yanko na munko yi abuo no emfiri. Enti omudi mechi yako me koka kire commander so Osumunyai tear gas ni electros. When you are police form attitude you, but me I didn't panic. I went there. Simuka na me catch the commander so no. Obi be shoot no.
Honorable commander na kasa no.
Yes, the first is yes, commander na kai. But you will shoot. Oma prepare am for am so. No, we shoot them to shoot. You're going to shoot this crowd. Join officer BCJ and we'll shoot them. And I'm called, so I'm the class. Who Casasa, let me hear you with it. Who will shoot you? One will be a media for it. At somewhere, I police forms will be shoot. Meanwhile, police didn't want it there. So, shoot you. Omu yamwa eno akato besutu omu ko yi abo na fura o te omba e besutu
enti ono abo wo ka che police ni se obami ayi nadi
yes
ya dinti na abami ayi nadi efi se
na dinti na police o ya ka se ma o besutu ni pa
ba se police ni ye nadwuma ya se wafom kura agyanke report no ma mpanimfo ba wo gina wutumi so ka se memma yayi wadi obami yayi police ni oye nadwuma di
edi adwuma na no way. You see, you are part of the problem. You are not asking intelligent questions. Put him heat and mom. Give me more home. Is that what you are saying? Because we are media need. You know what happened over there?
Honorable, wako when say police ni ya de enye. Police commander no kra wo hono mo. Ba say police commander wo hono obi o hye na se. Na wo se ne o yenye.
The commander
meetie.
Order to omuntutu. Omuba omuntutu. Sanya kasa. Sanya maintain peace and outside crowd no. I don't know when you first ask. And you minya wo mo ku wo mo. Because who the way you
FM
Please, you guys have to be fair. What is going on in this country? Mama no threaten me, and trust. What? And you know what would have happened over there? Me, if you have to repent, you cook massive. And you could do popularity and Masama, baby. No, so we are going to talk about you. And now, say about you, almost close, and then to my block of fire, almost shit. In real family, I couldn't find that. Can't be a twinkle. And I'm simple. And I made problems also for me. The who answer police, pay. Then go a cheer down. Wow, Pato, wow, you just said, Mithunum, I said, not Mithunum, Unim and Slam. Obia on top blocks. This you in your and we are woman and I'm no more to breathe. Who will be down? And how do you come the people? Say police to obey you. Or any drug. Don't annoy me this morning.
Honorable.
Not be brought to me at all.
Honorable.
How dear, son of a pap. Me know this time, me can't be there.
And one said they threw those usage of, and I said they threw those terminologies in their narrative, and then they go. I'm saying same way see you know. A particular phrase is out there, a lawyer for any terms, and I say in the legal luminary, a part of the applications are dear friend say plea bargaining, a dear bad enimu enamedemo ebabi rim. No when you understanding of the plea bargaining, because plea bargaining eno na de Godfred yebo adame ekudru tabonumuno. Now, you can say plea bargaining now, say a certain application had been triggered, and it does appear some of our listeners and viewers do not actually understand the usage of this application in order to appreciate the fundamental facts of the above case. Now, plea bargaining had been triggered in the process, however, the above application simply means one thing: an informal procedure usually conducted in the chambers of the Attorney General. TNE, an informal procedure usually conducted in the chambers of the Attorney General or the chambers of the trial judge, whereby the accused person could agree to plead what? Guilty as an off change for prosecution to drop the case against him. I hope so. It means an informal procedure usually conducted in the chambers of the Attorney General or the chambers of the trial judge, whereby the accused person could agree to plead guilty as an off change for prosecution to drop the case against him. The BB free had their best so we so near the assembly could see BBC could see case closed. Now, what it means by their marking actually say a bra assembly see na sa assembly see ya Attorney General no they make a woman. Now, Emrana Chira will say Attorney General no e was sa akwenya no na sa akwenya no wo no eno say oni nipa no ebetimi akwakotra ono Attorney General ne office ni chamber na wono medididi omo ho nkomo enkomodi a ebetimi ama nipa no a ye try no agi nsem bi atum se oh ampa aha akoniasa we mfumso bi akoso enti mijitum sa or otherwise ebetimi so aye say sa meeting no ye de beko the trial judge no judge na wote akonwa mu no odi asem no ye de beko onu ni chambers na wonu makotra ho edi sa enkomo no ne nipa na ye di na asem na agi atum awakonwa bi so se ampa ahei enfomso no magi atum so be sremo ye nhwe na ye mfa ye ntutu ye na che se ebetimi lead to say sentence ye de be ma no ebia eso bete kura ana ye sentence ne kura memo antecedent of this case here ACA ebia sipen. Now, I am quick to bring something here. Now the question remains, if the above application is anything significant to go by, why the Attorney General decided rather to have the supposed meeting at the residence of yet another Supreme Court judge who has nothing to do with the above case, but what? Have an interest. Yamika Samote, me defining plea bargaining amount. But then again, in the definition of this, again brings another pushback. Say sana samnetia, and ye na yembisa ora Godfred dame say, Godfred dame adenti and one Jakpa, Anko Wu Chambers, Enko this Anko Mwe. Number 2, Aden one Richard Jakpa, Anko the trial judge, you know, a Chambers, Enko this Anko Mono. Number 3, Enko Mono Koso, it be Koso a telephone so. Then in the telephone conversation now reveal, say, Afriyie the meeting, no, substantive meeting, no, ye they call another judge be Afriyie and yani Chambers ni fie. Now, sa judge ye they ask me ko ni fie or no onye party to this case. Number 1. Number 2, onye the trial judge of this case. Number 3, asemi emfa ne ho. Name sa judge way our interest to case him. Judge be a mofa ne picture nto Uni Koleni. Mofa Uni picture nto so. Ono da way. A Supreme Court judge. And you want what the case you know. But Uni Koleni ewo interest ewo mekasa asikyerɛ saying because Uni Koleni ne nua bema ene ye Richard Jakpa ne nua no no. Enti he den a our interest to case no but asam no emfa no ho. Enti ora Godfred dame what the same way meeting way e de court Supreme Court judge or ekotran o samo ko kama na yeden na eno na no make asem bi a kire Ghana for na enti ase bi munyae o mu enya o na me be kire no kire se Godfred dame na danfo ena Uni Koleni maka kire se by extension Uni on President Akufo-Addo we are very good friends. So the be say ono Richard Jakpa no betene ho ase say there be boyen mayentimi mantam kesela to force nchekere ne nsa hu nechi ne emfa ne nhye car na camera si ne ntwa no ne emfa ne nkwehye nsa wo na eno na make say wo Uni Koleni with the greatest of respect to Uni Koleni oyobi a obunu ho pa now crave ne indulgence say in the coming days Uni Koleni must come out and speak. Yes, Uni Koleni must come out and speak because se meeting ni ko ni fie na enye se sa meeting no ye de ko ni fie ema Uni say in the bedroom and in the living room or give it up in the living room and at the bedroom so oh me de me pie me ko Gyamfi ma abonten ntimuni mu nkomo no there. So Uni Koleni would definitely participate in that meeting or participate in that meeting no no by extension no there na Uni Koleni no Uni Koleni had compromised his position. Case closed or compromising when we did that as we speak for the very fact say Uni admitted say meeting him run ifie Attorney General is secure Uni Koleni's residence to be the meeting ground. Uni has compromises the position. Yeah. Your maya one more person with them mra ye juma. Your maya ye peu send right ye say 34 counts against Donald Trump in the United States in the New York District fence and court hono na nyasam ketwa Trump has one shit. Now Trump is waiting for a sentence. 34 counts against Donald Trump. He's the former president of the United States too. Former president of United States. How many years ever since we free power? Hey, America for see ma hun order. Oma titi Trump sa be sisenra. And now the US court, the New York court, it pronounced Pape guilty. And obviously America for more years the way and they the rest of the world now and how Adriana America remains the world's most superpower. Into omu ye we are. You think that omu believe it? Omu who is there? No, we are watching our dirty linens in the world global stage, and no. One person just a rule of law by Yedra. Now, here, Africa, here, Ghana, the Uni Colony, or Tiakunyaso, Supreme Court Judge, a meeting when you fee. Uni Colony.
You waiting for because Jubilee so and now we know say we now subscribe ya. Let's just say always subscribe when I like it. Now watch video no ama ofofroso enya bi na wahwe. Uso betimi akire wadwen afa aye ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box no. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.